Mga kabayan, alam nyo ba, I've been thinking about investing in real estate and I found something really interesting.
The Meren Enclaves in Puerto Princesa, Palawan. It's not just any property, it's actually a solid opportunity for rental income. Let me give you 3 reasons kung bakit perfect siya for rental opportunities.
Reason number 1, prime location in a tourist spot.
Puerto Princesa is one of the top tourist destinations in the Philippines. Imagine, the underground river, Honda Bay, Sabang Beach, and the Palawan Wildlife Rescue Center are all nearby. Tourists from all over the world gather here, and they need places to stay. Kaya kabayan, if you invest in the Meren Enclaves, ang laki ng potential for short-term vacation rentals.
Reason number 2, perfect for retirees and remote workers.
Hindi lang tourists ang attracted sa Puerto Princesa. Maraming retirees and remote workers ang naghahanap ng tahimik pero beautiful place to live. The Meren Enclaves is located in a quiet, gated community na ideal for long-term rentals. For sure, retirees who want peace and comfort or digital nomads who need serene place to work would love staying in a place like this.
Reason number 3 is hassle-free property management.
One of the best things about the Meren Enclaves is the property management service. Kung OFW ka, you don't have to worry about managing the rentals yourself. They can take care of everything, from bookings to maintenance. Kaya even if you're abroad, you can still earn a steady income. So if you're looking for an investment na magbibigay ng consistent income, the Meren Enclaves is a smart choice. It's in a prime location, perfect for both tourists and long-term renters, and hassle-free ang management. Talagang winner!
Kaya kabayan, if you're serious about investing for your future, send us a message now.